Hey beach bums, it is cabin tour time. We are staying in a deluxe Oceanview. It's a down on deck one room, cabin 1264, and let's take a look. So one of the differences, you'll see that with the deluxe Oceanviews, you get that extra little bath area, and I'll show that here a little bit. But there's the ocean view itself, a really big window, and we've already dropped our stuff off in here. I had my daughters right there in the cabin next door. I had my daughters drop their stuff off in here. But yeah, so you have, just real quick, and we'll do it. You have the regular restroom, and then you have this one. So that's the one difference in these deluxe Oceanviews, is this one has the little wash area, which is great, especially for my daughters. You know, when they want to do their makeup and stuff, they'll have two different areas if the other one's getting ready. So I love that. That was a great thing, kind of worked out. But anyway, so this is the bed. So this is the bedroom for my wife and I, and we've got the two twins put together for a king. Got your little nightstand there, another nightstand behind all that stuff over here, and then you've got the little couch area here that could become a bed if needed. So you got that. Of course, the little vanity area, a little coffee table, and over here you've got your ports. So you got your outlets, your two USB ports, and you've got your European plug, and then the shelving over here. And it looks like a drawer here with the blow dryer, and then here's the little fridge cooler over here. Okay, and just walk in here real quick. So yeah, so as you see, this one actually has the bathtub and little mirror, sink. Okay, and then the other one has the full shower, so you could see there the full shower, and again with the mirror and wash and all that, and then the toilet. So that one didn't have a toilet, obviously. This is the climate control snoozing sign over here, and then all of your storage will be over here. Some more cabinet space, or sorry, drawer spaces here, slide out drawers and shelving, your safe. Let's go over here. There's your full closets with a mirror over here. Tons of hangers. Like, people are always asking about hangers. I mean, they give you a lot, but if you need more, you just ask your room steward. So that's your closet space. And let me walk over to 1264, which they're right next door to us, our daughter, or 1262. So ours is 1264, and they've got basically the same setup. The only thing I want to show you is they have the two twins here and here, and then this will turn into a bed for my third daughter. So hopefully later on, I'll probably kind of add it towards the end of the to this video. When they have that open, I'll try to add that to the video, because a lot of people ask, what does that look like? So that's that will turn into a bed. The rest of the space is pretty much exactly the same. So, all right, I'll add that on to the end. Talk to y'all soon.